Hey guys, so welcome to Vlogmas Day 1. So if you guys don't know what Vlogmas is, so it's basically a series of vlogs from any day in December till Christmas. So this time I thought to follow it and I don't know how far can I do it, but what's bad in trying? So yup, today's schedule is pretty amazing guys. As first, like I just got over with my online classes. Like it was really hectic, but after my online classes I'm all ready. You can see my outfit of the day. So I'm ready because I'm going to shoot my dance video. Actually I had shot it a week ago, but it had some light issues when we came back home, so I have to reshoot it now. So I'll be going down in a few minutes. And yup, and after that, actually, there's an interesting thing that my birthday is coming soon, like it's next week on 16th of December. So I am going to go shop for my birthday. Like I just last week I got my birthday outfit from H&M. I couldn't vlog that as I was too lazy to do so, but now I'm gonna vlog as I'm going to go to Decathlon and then a shop. Like I don't know its name, but I'm just going there. So it's gonna be pretty much fun. So guys, let's go. So guys, we are done with our video shooting with my mommy. And now we are going to Decathlon for my birthday shopping. And what would you buy?
Whatever you want.
Thank you. So as you can see, I'm pink in color now, which would be fine after some time. So see you guys in a short while. So guys, my mom went to buy some vegetables. You can see right there. I'm so tired. And the dance video would be uploading soon. So make sure to go check it out and like and subscribe to that channel too. I would be putting the link in the description down below. So now I'm going near my car. But my mom is buying vegetables. I can do anything on this world except buying vegetables because that's the worst ever job that can be given to me. So I hate it. Look at my new t-shirt and my bag. That too my mom bought it for me. Actually that bag was supposed to be my birthday gift, but I opened it and then I used it, so it's no more my birthday gift and it won't be counted among the 15 gifts which my mom is going to give me. So that's my god. Okay, see you guys once my mom returns. Hey guys, so I'm back home. Yes, I didn't go to the store which I was talking that I would go to because me and my mom were quite tired and we thought that it was enough for today. So our day was amazing. We went to Decathlon as you guys saw, and I got a bunch of stuff from there, like a lot of stuff from there. So I'm so super happy. Like you can't imagine how happy I am. Like I got so many things that I didn't even expect for. So I didn't vlog that as I wanted to show it to you guys in a separate video, so which I would be making like what I got on my 15th birthday. Like obviously after I'll make it after my birthday. So wait for that. Stay tuned and subscribe to my channel if you want to get the notifications. Press the post notification bell. That's it. Okay, so you guys can see I've changed. I got sanitized. That's quite a long process. It took me a while and then I edited my dance video. By the way, it's out now, so you can go check it out. Not now, after watching this video. So I'll link it down in the description. Yeah, it was really fun and it's 5:45 now. So after some time I'll be going down with my mom to for a walk because I want to. No specific reason, but I want to go walk. So yeah, see you guys once I go.